What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get our first look at a real near production model ready Cybertruck. And this happened at the Giga Texas Cyber Rodeo. Now, founder of Tesla Elon Musk started the Giga Texas Cyber Rodeo in a giant cowboy hat in front of a hysterical crowd and spoke about the new production facility and the future Tesla plans. They didn't call it a Cyber Rodeo for nothing, because what people really wanted to see was the Cybertruck. Well, Musk delivered. Dark sunglasses and a cowboy hat might not be enough to entertain the crowd, but Tesla's boss kicked off the show with some impressive fun facts about the new Gigafactory and the company's plans for the next couple of years. But let's skip to the Cybertruck, which is the hottest Tesla non-product right now. So Musk started humbly apologizing for the delay bringing the Cybertruck to the market. And the alley-shaped pickup truck is now slated for production at Giga Texas starting next year, some 2 years behind schedule. Now, considering Tesla's track record, take this as a grain of salt, just like the promises of more production debuts next year, like the Roadster and the Semi. Nevertheless, a new updated Cybertruck prototype entered the stage with the chief designer behind the wheel. And as he unmounted, he revealed that the updated Cybertruck does not feature door handles anymore. The truck allegedly detects the user and automatically opens the door when needed, like magic. Now, more info about the Cybertruck actually perspired from people attending the Cyber Rodeo event than Musk himself. So the people on social media are talking, and the obvious change that is highlighted by many is shown that the fact that the new improved Cybertruck dropped the rear glass window and adopted a midguard instead. This should make the Cybertruck better suited for carrying cargo, but you could imagine that the midguard could also be folded down just like glass. A couple of pictures with the Cybertruck interior shows a Tesla Model X style steering yoke, but without the center section, where the airbag probably would be fitted. And nobody knows if the Cybertruck will feature a yoke-style steering wheel, but in this case, the Cybertruck's interior was not meant to be seen at this stage. Now, other pictures of the electric truck show updated side repeater cameras in the front fenders and charging port concealed inside the vehicle's fender flares. Now, this still looks unready since it still features the Model S charge plug. This shouldn't make it into production since Tesla is transitioning its vehicles to the universal CCS plug. But from what we see so far, the Cybertruck is almost ready for development starting next year. So with that said, what do you guys think about the updated near production ready look at the Cybertruck? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we'll have a bigger discussion on Tesla's new Cybertruck revealed in almost production ready form. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want some long sleeve shirts, hoodies, stickers, t-shirts, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.